Hey, YouTube family, Mike Liddicoat here, Wyco Realtors Upgrades. Hope you're having a fantastic day. All right, so here's a question I get a lot. Do I need a realtor to help me buy or sell a house? Short answer, no, you don't. But you also don't need a doctor to remove your own appendix, but it's not a good idea to do it yourself. See, when you hire a realtor, whether you're buying or selling a house, here's just some of the things that you're going to get. You're going to get some great negotiating skills, both from the buyer and seller side. The agent's going to be able to help assist you in your negotiations. Also, market knowledge. They're going to be able to run numbers, make sure you're pricing the house correctly, make sure you're not overpaying for the house as the buyer. They're going to have access to listings that might not be available outside of the multiple listing service. For sellers, putting it on the multiple listing service gives it way more exposure than just doing for sale by owner. Also, one of the big things, handling all of the paperwork and the timelines and all that goes into those contracts that we use. It'll help give you a smoother process and a lot less stress. So, do you need a real estate agent to help you? No. Do you need a doctor to remove your appendix? No. But it's a really good idea to get that professional help along the way. And if you need some professional help, not to remove your appendix, but real estate wise, give me a call. Love to help you out. Have a great day.